has to be spicy. You know, a lot of Indians when they used to travel abroad 50 years back, British Airways and all, perfume छोड़ते थे मालूम? क्योंकि Indians बहुत spice खाता है, पसीना से smell आता है. You know, that is the kind of thing we have. You know, spicy. We like everything spicy. Even our sweat smells the spices. International success stories. McDonald's, Subway. Ray Kroc was asked, do you think burgers will sell outside America? Burgers will sell outside America? The founder of McDonald's, one of the founders. So everybody was asking him this dirty question. He said, anything between bun sells. Pun intended. Anything between bun sells. And the burger is anything between buns. And Vada Pav is the same similar future. एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड बन गया है. It's like राम और श्याम, you know. एक दो ट्विन ब्रदर्स जुड़ा भाई एक करोड़पति बन गया अमेरिका में जाके ब्रांड बन गया कंपनी बन गया 40,000 आउटलेट्स. इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट स्टोरी. एंड अमेरिका बोला तो हमारे सामने दो पिक्चर आता है. व्हाट इज इट? बर्गर एंड कोक एंड फ्रेंच फ्राइज. एंड सडन his second brother is lying on the footpath of Mumbai on the gutters. छप्पन टिकली का बनियान पहन के हाफ चड्डी पहन के the fryer is frying and gutter के ऊपर वड़ा पाव बिक रहा है. Somewhere we felt, can we pick up this product, make a company, make a brand, make an Indian success story out of it. And that's where we chose Vada Pav. Why Vada Pav? Why the brand name Goli? Vada Pav is born on the footpath of Mumbai. And the Mumbai lingo is pudi, rapchik, item. It's gone into auto. Behind. Yeah. Yeah. Vada Pav was born on the footpath of Mumbai, and the lingo of Mumbai is pudi, rapchik, item. So I thought, Vada Pav को अंग्रेजी नाम कैसा देंगे? You know, the marketing people say anything is English is aspirational. So I always felt if Nalli sari would have been called Julie sari, कैसा हो जाता था? Huh? It wouldn't have sold. Yeah, you know, Paneri would have become Mary sari. It wouldn't have been sold. A Indian item, नहीं तो हल्दीराम का भुजिया को Sam's भुजिया बोलते तो कोई खाता था क्या उसको? No? So I think the Vada Pav is born on the footpath of Mumbai. देसी नाम ही देना चाहिए. उसमें किधर तो मुंबई का छाप होना चाहिए. That's why Goli. And again, the pre-fried version of the batata vada is called Goli. Station के बाहर हो आध गाड़ी वाले के पास चले जाओ. From आलू का सब्जी, the moment the train comes, the fryer will say, Munna, so Goli निकाल दे. So he makes a Goli out of it and gives it to him. That Goli is put inside the batter and then fried. So this is what we used to give to our franchises, Golis. So that's how the Goli. I was in corporate finance with tie, blazer, laptop. When I told some of my clients that I'm getting into the Vada Pav business, most of them told, क्या Goli दे रहा है? So nobody took us seriously. So everybody thought, you know, हम लोग time pass कर रहे हैं. So we said we'll name this company only Goli. Yeah. I'm coming to the naming part of it. So, you know, the name of the company, why it is Goli. People talk about it being a powerful name and other things. My dad used to work for a company called Colgate. And whenever we used to go down to south, no, villages and all, or Madras, तो कोई लेने आता था और बोलता था Colgate Srinivasan has come. तो शादियों में जाते थे तो 11 रुपया देते थे ना बड़जी. तो Tamil Ayers have a typical funny way of interacting. So the budgie, you know, the priest will call Lifebuoy Murugan 11 rupees. Huh? Then he will say SBI Mohan 25 rupees. So all Tamilians are known with the company they are associated. And the moment they say Colgate Srinivas, and my father will give 55 rupees. You know, lower middle class guy, my mother used to fight.